Yeah, sorry I haven't been around for a while. I've just been busy doing things. This one right here has been acting up for a while. Always having a little bit of fluid. Yep, already. I have to add a little bit. Just in case. Oops, sorry. One-handed, you know. Sometimes it'd be useful if we were born with three. Yeah. Alright. Let's see if it fits okay. I've just been busy with things at work, the security company and stuff lately. 1 second there. I wish I could have showed you the rest of it, but I needed both hands and also I put it on the lid right there to put it in. Thanks Chino Auto, where I used to work back in '07. And that other piece, I'm going to stick it up in the bin in the garage. The rest of the parts in the truck. Well, the few. Yeah, looks like cash is coming in better. I might be getting the Camaro going pretty soon. So you guys have a good day then. Bye.